Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the balance of your gift card in the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then look for the gift card button and click on that. So in order to check your balance, you need to provide your card number and then the PIN, which is belong to your gift card. And then just click on the check balance button to check it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.